Which best explains why most people were illiterate during Gutenberg's time? A. Books were rare and very expensive. B. The public school system had not yet been created. C. Writing had not yet been invented. Or D. Emperor Charlemagne made reading and writing illegal for common people. In order to answer this question, we need information from paragraph 5, which I have inserted here. Here we see that because of the effort that went into producing them, books were extremely rare and valuable. Because of the value and scarcity of books, there was little reason for common people to learn to read or write, since it was unlikely that they would ever handle a book in their lifetimes. From here we can see that because it was so difficult to produce a book, they were very expensive, and because the average person simply couldn't afford them, there was no reason for them to learn how to read or write. Based on this information, we can head down to our choices and mark A, books were rare and very expensive, as our final answer.